Note, this is not a comedy skit. People in this video are not subject to mockery or caricature. Be warned.
Okay, Valentine is made for everybody.
But it seems like it's only men that are giving gifts.
It's just the way we Nigerians do this thing or Valentine, or the way we do it. Normally, Valentine is a kind of give and take from both orphanage home, churches, houses, not just in the aspect of love. If you go to the history of Valentine, there's nothing even related to love there. So it's both. So it's only we now that are turning things like kind of Valentine, because there was a man. It's originated from someone called Valentine. So to me, it's for both children, adults, everybody can celebrate Valentine.
So have you given someone gifts?
I'm not giving anybody gift yet.
And even this one coming, are you trying to give?
Yes, I'm planning to give somebody.
You're planning to give? Who?
I'm planning to give my guy a gift.
But you're saying now that it should not be for guys.
No, I'm planning to give my guy a gift. I also have gifts for my younger ones.
Is Valentine made for female or for male?
Valentine is made for both female and male.
So as a female, have you received gift before?
Sure.
As a female, have you given male gift before?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
What did you give our guy?
Well, I packaged a gift for him. So yes, I've given a gift before. Not towel and singlet anyway. Boxers.
This season again, are you trying to give gift? Sure. Him?
Yes.
The same person?
Yes.
Happy all things are passing away.
The same person.
The same person?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Why is it that it's only men that gives gift during Valentine? Women hardly give.
That question hard though, but think of it. Men have to spend now. We are men. They call us men. Women is a visitor. But we are there before them. We have to spend to make them proud. It's not that women cannot spend though. They have money. Some of them have money more than us, but we have to show ourselves. When a lion is pursuing a cow, you know what you mean. I don't give many things, so. Right. But my own, I they buy biscuit now. They share gas now. No biscuit I give go. And I like biscuit. Even pure water self.
I like you, Jerry.
No, okay, you want back and go carry your heaven and to give women. No.
It's made for both now, male and female.
You serious?
Yeah, sure.
So as a female, have you received gift?
Not at all, not even for once.
Since we are born?
Yeah, since I was born.
You, if it's made for male and female, have you given any man gift?
I haven't given.
So why?
Because no man have given me, so I believe at least now, like a man should come before a lady now. So if I have received at all after I've given, since I did not receive, I feel like there's no need.
Don't you think that there's what they call sowing and reaping? You should give first and expect to receive. Why must a man give you first for you to receive?
Yeah, I haven't given before, but this time I want to give it a try.
You want to give it a try?
Yes.
Who is the lucky man?
My guy.
Your guy?
Yeah.
Is Valentine made for male or female?
Actually, it's made for female.
Why do you say it's made for female?
The reason why, because female collect gifts from male. Actually, male don't used to collect gifts. It's only female always request for gift for Valentine.
Seriously? Yes. So, have you given someone gift?
Actually, yes.
But you, have you received?
I've not received.
Since we are born?
Yes, I've not received Valentine gift.